gonna be like, Dad had hair.
Yeah.
I won't be able to tell him that his dad ruined all his hair.
How's it going?
Good. You're not gonna take this video with the camera?
It's dead.
Oh, is it dead?
Mm-hmm.
You got each of those are doweled?
I got the dowels in.
There's
There's Grandma.
Tim tool time.
Don't look so excited. There's Grandpa.
now we gotta do
Look up, Tara.
He did.
Oh, you did.
lock washers. Okay, so we're gonna need some lock washers.
Oh. His dad hyper-focused.
2 Phillips head
Are you
bolts.
videoing?
Uh-huh.
Oh.